In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off zoom in iPhone. So the zoom is one of the cool features of iPhone to magnify your iPhone screen. And if you know how to do this, you should see that you can actually have fun zooming out or zooming in on your iPhone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom out on your iPhone and how you can easily turn off the zoom function on your iPhone. First, to zoom out on your iPhone, you need to do is triple tap on the iPhone screen, whether it is lock screen or unlock screen, with 3 fingers. Then you should see 4 options, including zoom out. Then tap on the zoom out button. Once you hit the zoom out button, your iPhone will turn back to normal, just like this. However, to turn off zoom on your iPhone, all you need to do is go to your iPhone settings, scroll down and click on accessibility, tap zoom, then toggle off this feature. Once you disable this feature and then disable follow focus, every other features under the zoom application will be useless, except you decided to turn on the zoom function again. So this is how to turn off zoom on your iPhone. If you find this really interesting, if you want to hit like button, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.